Hey everyone, welcome back to Slim Style Gym. Today, we've got an awesome leg workout routine that will help you build strength and tone those leg muscles. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this routine is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Warm up. First things first, we need to warm up those legs to prevent any injuries. Let's start with some light cardio for 5 minutes, like jogging in place or jumping jacks. Exercise 1, Squats. Now, it's time to work those quads and glutes with squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keep your chest up, and lower yourself down like you're sitting in a chair. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 2, Lunges. Next up, we have lunges to target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Take a step forward, bend both knees at 90-degree angles, and push back up. Repeat with the other leg. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps on each leg. Exercise 3, Deadlifts. Deadlifts are fantastic for working your hamstrings and lower back. Grab a barbell or some dumbbells, keep your back straight, and bend at the hips while keeping your knees slightly bent.